Hi guys. This week I went for a walk through an arboretum and it was just beautiful. And I was inspired to create another fun flower painting, specifically thinking about this photo. If you want to paint with me, you're welcome to use that photo or just whatever, or just watch if you want to do that. So I started out as usual putting some yellow ochre on the background, and then I just started painting some leaves. I'm actually using a blue color, and that blue is cerulean blue, or however you say it. And I also end up using a darker blue to create kind of like the what do you call them, veins in the leaves, with Prussian blue. But as usual, they turn out looking quite green because of the blue over the yellowish color. And I just like that look right now. And as I think I put text in there that said I'm using gouache paints again. A cool thing is that I just sprayed them with my water bottle and rehydrated what I had on my palette, except for the white. I did actually squeeze out some more white from the tube, but I believe, if I remember correctly, I just used what was on my palette for the whole painting, which is pretty cool. I'm also being super loose with this. I'm really just trying to have fun. Clearly, if you, you saw the photo if you're watching this, there were a lot more leaves and flowers and things in it, but I just decided to pick out a few of the leaves and flowers and have a few different leaf shapes and have them going different directions, but I left out a lot of them. So I wanted to keep this pretty simple. And here I'm adding a grayish background using the rounded brush. Earlier, I don't know if I said it, I was using my kind of flat end brush. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's up to you what kind of brush you use. These just felt like the right shapes and sizes. And I settled on gray as the background. It seemed like it might be kind of a nice color, especially for the orangey flowers. And it was a cloudy day, and I've had kind of a weird, kind of gloomy feeling week, so you know what, I was feeling that vibe where it was kind of gray in the background, so I went with it. So I just keep adding to the flowers and the leaves. Right now I'm adding different shades of orange. And I mean, I'm being really loose about it. I'm really just kind of allowing my old palette colors to dictate what goes on the page. And I just think that's a fun way to do it. It's a lot less structured, and it helps create some variety in the hues. Okay, now, yeah, I'm adding some colored pencil, as I like to do. So until, I think this is yellow ochre right here, or maybe an orange. I use both, like a couple of different oranges and the yellow ochre, and then I'll use some turquoise, I think this is turquoise, and a couple of blues. Basically, like I've done before, repeating the colors, at least mostly, that I used with the paint. I'm repeating it with the colored pencil, creating some more details and a little different textures along with the paint. I don't know, I ended up liking the kind of orange that seemed to be making the leaves and flowers look kind of glowy. And for final touches, I'm just kind of going over the background again with a little bit of paint. And it's finished. This wasn't my absolute favorite painting I've ever done, but it was really, really fun. And that's really what counted. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. Really appreciate you watching. Yeah, thanks. Bye.